By the end of this lesson, you should be able to solve problems involving the conversion of unit. A man wants to buy a kilogram of nails and 4 meters of string. What unit is suitable for measuring the length of a string? Meter. What unit is suitable for measuring the mass of the nails? Kilogram. The man cycles home with his purchases. What unit is suitable for measuring time taken to cycle between his house and the shop? Second. We use SI units of measurement in our daily lives. SI units such as meter, kilogram, and seconds are used to measure length, mass, and time respectively. Sometimes we need to convert one unit of measurement to another. Observe the students taking the measurements. How do we calculate the area of the book? Area equals length times width. The length and width are 26.0 centimeters and 19.0 centimeters respectively. What is the area of the book? Area is equal to 494.0 centimeters squared. How do you convert centimeters squared to meters squared? One centimeter is equal to 1 times 10 to the power of -2 meters. The correct area conversion factor can be obtained from squaring the linear conversion factor. In this case, 494.0 centimeters squared is equal to 494 times 10 to the power of -4 meters squared. How do we calculate the area of the table? Area equals length times width. The length and width are 2.5 meters and 1.5 meters respectively. What is the area of the table? Area equals 2.5 meters times 1.5 meters. Area equals 3.75 meters squared. How do you convert meters squared to centimeters squared? 1 meter is equals to 10 to the power of 2 centimeters. The correct area conversion factor can be obtained from squaring the linear conversion factor. In this case, 3.75 meters squared is equal to 3.75 times 10 to the power of 4 centimeters squared. How do we calculate the volume of the book? Volume equals length times width times thickness. The length, width and thickness are 30.0 centimeters, 22.0 centimeters and 3.0 centimeters respectively. What is the volume of the book? volume is equal to 1,980 cubic centimeters. How do you convert cubic centimeters to cubic meters? 1 centimeter is equal to 10 to the power of -2 meters. The correct volume conversion factor is 1,980 cubic centimeters is equal to 1,980 times 10 to the power of -6 cubic meters. The value can be written as 1.98 times 10 to the power of -3 cubic meters. Observe the moving school bus. The velocity of a school bus is 50 kilometers per hour. Convert the unit to meter per second. One kilometer is equal to 1 times 10 to the power of 3 meters. 1 hour is equal to 3,600 seconds. 50 kilometers per hour is equal to 13.89 meters per second. Observe the indicator on the speedometer. What is the speed? $80 kilometers per hour. How do you convert 80 kilometers per hour to 80 kilometers per hour is equal to 80,000 meters per hour. How do you convert 80 kilometers per hour to meters per second? $80 kilometers per hour is equal to 22.22 meters per second. Which hard disk has more capacity? To be able to compare the value of two numbers, we need to write them with the same multiplication factor. 40 gigabytes is equal to 40 times 10 to the power of 9 bytes. And this is equal to 4.0 times 10 to the power of 10 bytes. 400 megabytes is equal to 400 times 10 to the power of 6 bytes. And this is equal to 4.0 times 10 to the power of 8 bytes. 40 gigabytes is bigger than 400 megabytes.
You can see two containers of different sizes. Container A has the base area of 0.5 meters times 0.5 meters and height of 1 meter. A plastic container B with a square base of 10 centimeters times 10 centimeters can be filled up with water to a height of 25 centimeters. Find the volume of container A and B. State the volume of B in cubic meters. Using container B, how many times should a student pour water into container A until it is half full?